Quick English tips with Going English. Hey there! Today we're diving into a quick tip on how to use the word rudder. Let's get started. Do you know what does rudder mean? Rudder is a word we use when we want to show preference or choice between two things. It's like saying you would prefer one thing over another. Would you rather have cake or ice cream? I would rather have cake. It means you prefer cake over ice cream. If someone asks if you want ice cream or cake, you can say, I would rather have. So it means you prefer one thing over another. Let's take a look at this example right here. Would you rather have a dog or a cat as a pet? I would rather have a dog. I would rather have a cat. Rather than. Imagine a book and a TV. Would you rather read a book or watch TV? In this case, rather can be used to show you would do one thing instead of another. So here you are choosing the book over the TV. So here we have the key word instead. I would rather read a book than watch TV. So I would rather do this thing over this another thing. So I choose to read a book over watching TV. One more way you can use rather is when you want to soften a statement. How can we do that? You can use rather to soften a statement when you change your mind. So someone asks you something, for example, would you go to the party? Would you go to the party with us this Saturday night? And at first, you want to go, you say yes, sure. But then you change your mind. So actually, I would rather not go to the party. So it means that you change your mind. So you are refusing is a polite way to say you don't want to go anymore. So you can use rather in this case to soften a statement. So you change your mind and now you don't want to go anymore. Let's do a quick recap. Use rather to show preferences. Would you rather have a cake or an ice cream? I would rather have a cake. Use rather to make a choice. Would you rather watch TV or read a book? I would rather watch TV than read a book. Use rather to soften what you say. Actually, I would rather not go to the party. Remember, use rather to show preferences, make a choice, or soften what you say. Practice it in your next conversation. Are you looking for an online tutor? You can find on Preply using this heifer code down below and you get 30% off on your first lesson. So don't miss it. I also give lessons on Preply. I have many students there. Thanks for watching. If you found this content helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more quick English tips. See you next time.